10mm socket. Remove the bolts holding the splash shield up in the location. Plastic tab right here on the shield. Pop that out. And then you can fold this down. Now we can see the actual washer pump. There's two, one for the back and one for the front. Make sure you get yourself a catch basin to catch the washer fluid. And I like to use a trim tool. I'm going to pop this right out of the actual reservoir. Now with it draining, I'm going to take that rubber seal out. Disconnect the actual line that goes to the washer nozzles. With the new pump, grab the hose, reconnect it. Now you can put the electrical connector on out here, make it easier. Push it on until it clicks. Now put the rubber grommet on the actual pump and then line her up. Give it a push till it seats. So when you put the shield back up on Toyotas, you'll see this big lip. So the shield goes between the actual fender, like that. Then you have the plastic push in. Now you can put your two bolts back in. Let's fill up the reservoir so we can test the new pump. Check for leaks, make sure that seal seated good, and we should be all set.